In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a multi-channel campaign in Lemlist so you can reach prospects across multiple platforms automatically. First, log into your Lemlist account and click on New Campaign, or open up your existing campaign. Next, select the lead list you want to use for your campaign. With your leads are added, you can begin building your outreach sequence. Start by adding your first step, like an email. Write your message, add personalization variables, and save it. After that, click Add Step to include other channels like LinkedIn visits, LinkedIn connection requests, LinkedIn messages, or follow-up emails. You can customize the timing between each step to create a natural outreach flow. For example, send an email first, wait 2 days, then send a LinkedIn connection request. Once your sequence is ready, review all the steps, check your sending settings, and launch the campaign. And that's how you set up a multi-channel campaign in Lemlist to automate personalized outreach across email and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.